Students, in previous class we have completed till question number 4 of exercise 1A. Now in today's class, let's start with the question number 5. Question number 5 is subtract the first integer from the second in each case. That means subtract this integer from this one. So subtract it, put 18 and then subtract this integer 6. Sign of both the numbers are different. This is of plus and this is of minus. So these numbers will be subtracted. 18 minus 6 is 12. So this is your answer. Next, subtract minus 3 from 6 because they said subtract the first number from the second. Okay. One thing more, students, whenever any sign is given with any number, you will try to enclose that in bracket first. Okay. That will help you to remove the problems, remove the difficulties. Okay. So firstly write this number, this integer 6, then subtract the second integer. Why I have written it into the bracket? Because this integer was given with the sign. Okay. Now 6 bracket means multiplication, and while explaining integer I explained you that when we multiply minus, what do we get? We get plus. Okay. So it will become minus plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. This is your answer. Next, third part, subtract this from this number. So firstly write this minus 54. You will write it into the bracket because this is with the minus sign. इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है to which number? minus 27. Both the numbers were with the sign, negative sign, so you have enclosed them in the bracket. Now open the bracket in the next step. This is plus sign outside the bracket because bracket के बाहर कोई sign नहीं है, it means वो plus है, so plus minus 54 minus plus 27. Now sign of both the numbers are different. जब sign different होते हैं, what do? We subtract them. और वैसे आप जानते भी हैं plus minus. So subtract from the greater value to the smaller one. 14 minus 7, 4 minus 2, 27. And which sign you will put here? You will put minus sign. Why? Because the sign of greater numeral, which is 54, is minus. So your answer is minus 27. Next, question number 6. Find the value of. You need to find the value of this expression. Okay. So firstly you will open the bracket. Minus 37 minus plus 15 minus 2. Now this 37 and this 2 are of both same sign. Same sign क्या है? This is of minus, this is of minus. So minus 37 and minus 2 both are of same sign. So we will add them. Add कर देते हैं 39 and sign will be of greater value, greater numeral, which is minus. So this is minus 39 plus 15 as it is. Now both the numerals are of different sign. So you will subtract them. 39 minus 15. 9 minus 5, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 24 you are getting. And you will put the sign of greater numeral, which is 39. So sign will be minus. So your answer is minus 24. Next, start solving this question. Students, firstly you will solve this bracket. Okay, आप firstly क्या करेंगे? इस bracket को solve करेंगे. So 16 minus, in this bracket solve this expression. 14 minus plus 2 minus 6. Okay. Now solve them. 14 plus 2 is 16 minus 6. Okay, 16 minus, both are of different sign now, because in bracket if we look at this is of plus sign and this is of minus sign. Okay, so these numbers will be subtracted. 16 minus 6 is 10. Now open the bracket. 16 minus 10, which is 6, and this is your answer. Now the next question, question number 7. Using greater than, less than or equal, fill in the boxes to make each statement true. हमें चेक करना है यहाँ पर कौन सा सिंबल आएगा. So to check it, firstly we will solve the left hand side, then right hand side. So check करते हैं left hand side. Solve the left hand side. -1 plus -5. This is the left hand side. Open the bracket first. -1 plus minus -5. Both are of same sign, so values will be added. Add करते हैं 1 plus 5 6, and value will be of greater numeral, which is minus. So this is -6. Now right hand side, let's calculate which is the right hand side. This -7 minus -5. Firstly open the bracket. -7 minus plus 5. Sign of both the numeral different, so you will subtract them. 7 minus 5 is 2, and sign will be of greater numeral, which is 7 minus. Okay, we are getting here left hand side is -6 and right hand side is -2. आपने नंबर लाइन में पढ़ा ही था कि -6 यहाँ पर होगा and -2 will be there. Which one will be the greater number? This one will be the greater number. और आप जानते हैं अगर माइनस के साथ greater numeral है, so that will be the smaller number. Okay, so this will be the smaller and this will be greater. Next, firstly calculate left hand side. Left hand side is 42 minus 35 plus 12. 42 में से आप चाहे तो पहले 35 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें, फिर प्लस 12 कर दें, या फिर पहले 42 और 12 को प्लस करें, देन 35 को माइनस करें. ओके, अप टू यू. सो फर्स्टली 42 प्लस 12, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, then subtract this 35 because this is of minus sign. Take borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9, 4 minus 3 is 1, this is 19. Now calculate right hand side. Right hand side is 42 minus 35 minus 12. These are of same sign, minus minus, so we will add them. Minus 35 and 12, add them. 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 1 4. 42 minus 47. Why I have written minus sign here? Because both the values having minus sign, or we put the sign of greater numeral. Now 42 minus 47, both are of different signs, so these will be subtracted. Subtract 47, 42, 5, and sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus. So this is, you are getting 19 left hand side and right hand side is -5. So this number is greater. Now the third part, firstly solve the left hand side. 6 minus -2 bracket close plus 5. Open the bracket. Minus minus plus 2 plus 5. All the numbers having plus sign, that means all the numbers are positive numbers, so we will add them. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13. Okay, next right hand side. -1 minus 2 minus 3. Open the bracket. -1 minus plus 2 minus 3. Okay, these two numbers are of same sign, minus, so we will add them. 3 plus 1 4, and sign will be a greater numeral, which is minus, and this will remain same. Now both the numbers are of different sign, plus minus minus. So subtract them. 4 minus 2 is 2 and sign will be a greater numeral which is minus. So this is minus 2 and this is 13. Left hand side you are getting 13 and right hand side you are getting minus 2. So of course 13 is greater. Students, question number 8 and 9 are multiple choice questions. These questions you will practice yourself and also practice remaining parts of those questions which I have explained today. Okay, in next class we will start next exercise. If you face any difficulty in any question which I have explained today, please let me know. I will help you out. Thank you. Have a good day.